For joining us here this morning. Lots that's lined up like always, but first let's begin the broadcast with big news that we're tracking as far as this incident is concerned, where Raksha Khadse's daughter was harassed and Jalgaon police have taken action. They've arrested 2 accused. Arrest tally goes up to 3 and the cops intensify search operations, hunt on for 3 other accused. Alright, we'll try going across to my colleague for more on that. But clearly big action that's been taken. The arrest tally now standing at 3. Shweta Verma, my colleague, joins me for more. Shweta, very good morning. Given the fact that there is significant development as far as this is concerned, what are we given to understand with these 2 new arrests that have been made?
Well, that's right. We are given to understand that in total there are 3 arrests that have been made. But as per the sources, there were near about 5 to 6 miscreants involved in this particular alleged incident of harassment of a union minister's daughter. So clearly, Jalgaon police is on their investigation. And as per the probe, we understand that on day 1, there was when the investigation began, the person was arrested, and today, as we see that 2 more persons have been arrested. However, there have been a total group of 4 to 5 men, those who were involved in these kind of cases. And remember, when it comes to these miscreants, as per the DYSP of Jalgaon, he stated that these people in fact have a kind of history that has been seen that during certain events, like during the Mahashivratri event also, the Jatra which was taking place in Jalgaon, the group of men, in fact, they were eve teasing other women also. But here we see that now, because 3 arrests have already been made, now the police is ensuring that the other 2 to 3 arrests would be made sooner. But clearly, this is a shocking incident that has emerged from Maharashtra, where union minister's daughter have been allegedly harassed during a Mahashivratri event, during a Jatra in Jalgaon.
Right, Shweta, I appreciate you putting that into context here as far as that big action that has come through, a significant development in fact. But for now, we leave it at that. Let's shift our focus to